Do I have problems? Yes, I've got a lot of problems. I've got more problems than you. Because I've got more businesses. Yeah? So many people always say, Adam, I'm not happy. I say, why? They say, I got problems. And I say, when will you be happy? They say, Adam, I'll only be happy if one day I got no more problems. When I can solve all my problems, I can be happy. Then I can be successful if I've got no problems. Now, would there ever be a day when you got no problems? Will there ever be a day when you got no problems? Yes, it's called death. It's called death. We will have no problems when we die. You know Michael Jackson?
No.
Michael Jackson? Does he have any more problems? He's dead, right? Okay? So the point is this, as long as we're alive, we will always have problems. So it's okay to have problems. Right? But the question is what we do about it. So people who are proactive, when they got problems, what do they do? What do they do? Yeah, they'll keep finding a way to solve their problems. And they can't solve their problems, they will find people who can help them to solve their problems. They are proactive. But then there are some people in life, most people are not proactive. Slide please. Most people in life, they are what we call reactive. Reactive. Can we say this together? Everyone say reactive. Reactive. One more time. Reactive. Thank you. People who are reactive, they don't make things happen. What do? They wait. They wait for things to happen to them. So these are the people, if there are no opportunities, what do? Wait. They wait and wait and wait for people to give them opportunities. If no one gives them opportunities, what do? They keep waiting. If they got problems, what do? They complain. They complain every day. Why do I have problems? Why do I have problems? They don't do anything. And they hope someone will solve their problems. If no one solves their problems, they keep hoping. Yeah? Proactive and reactive. So how many of you right now, you can say that you are proactive? Wonderful. Okay? But just now in the game, are there people who are reactive? Just now in this game, some people are reactive, right? They stand up and they don't go and meet people. They wait for people to meet them. They wait for people to meet them. They stand there and they say, wants to shake my hand. Nobody shakes my hand. Nobody likes me. I don't like this program. Okay? Yeah. Yeah, we gotta be proactive. Yeah? Okay. Let me move on. The next thing. You see, some people say to me, they say, Adam, sometimes in life I can do my best. I do more than expected. I'm proactive. I make things happen. But I still don't get the result. Right? I still don't get the result. And they say because, Adam, people don't support me. I don't have the money. I don't have the time. I don't have the resources. I don't have the opportunity. Now let me ask you something. In life, do we always get the things that we want? Do we always get the things we want the way we want it? Yes or no? No, we don't. Example. Do we always get the staff or employees that we want? Do we always get the partner that we want? Do we always get the wife that we want? You have to say yes if your wife is here. Okay. Do we always get the customers we want? No, we don't always get the things we want in life, right? That's life. But just because we don't get the things that we want, does it mean we can't achieve our goals? Can we still achieve our goals? Yes. Why? Because I believe all of us. By the way, can the organizers get me the other flip chart on stage? The other flip chart? Okay. I believe all of us have got a choice. A choice. Can we say this together? Everyone say the word choice. We always have a choice. Thank you. We always have a choice in life. People always say, I've got no choice. We always have a choice. See, let me draw what I call this line for you. This is what I call the line of life. The line of life. Yeah? Can shift it a bit more to the side. Yeah, thank you. Okay? So some people in life, they play their game of life. See, life is like a game. Life is like a game. Some people, they play their game of life below the line. And some people play their game of life above the line. So what's the difference? See, people who play below the line, they let life control them. They let situations control them. But people who play above the line, they control their life. So, how? See, people who are here, what's their mindset? They have got three habits. Three habits. Three habits. They got three habits. These people, when they don't get the results they want, what's the first thing they like to do? The first thing they like to do is to give themselves a lot of excuses. Right? Excuses. Let's zoom this in. Everyone, please say the word excuses. What are common excuses people give when their business is not doing well? They say, my business is not doing well. Why? Because I've got no time. Right? I've got no time to do it. That's why it's not doing well. Or they say, I've got no money. Or they say, it's because I don't have the luck. Or it's because it's too difficult. It's because I'm a lousy leader. It's because I'm not good enough. They give themselves all these excuses. And after they give all the excuses, next thing they do, the next thing they do is they like to what? Blame. Right? Everyone say the word blame. Blame. We can do better than that. Say blame. 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 Thank you. They blame everyone. They blame everyone except who? Except themselves. When they're not doing well, they say it's not my fault. My staff's fault. My employee's fault. It's not my fault. It's the economy's fault. It's not my fault. It's the stupid competitors. It's not my fault. Okay? It's my partner's fault. It's not my fault. It's my wife's fault. She spends all my money. It's my husband's fault. Alright? They blame everyone. And the third thing they like to do is these people, instead of improving every day, they just like to spend time to what? Complain. They complain and complain of why life is so bad to them. Okay? Now let me ask all of you a question. I need all of you to raise your hands, either yes or no. Okay? How many of you know people? You know people who are like this? Great. How many of you are like this? How many of you are like this? Thank you for being honest. Thank you for being honest. Now here's the thing. All of us are like this. We're all like this. Including me. I do this too. We all do this, right? Why? Because we're human beings. And as human beings, all of us give excuses sometimes. We all blame people sometimes. We all complain sometimes, right? Why do we do it? Why do we do it? Sorry? Yes, to defend ourselves, to protect ourselves, right? That's right. Why else do we do it? Because it's easier. It's easy to blame. It's easier to give excuses. And it feels good, right? It feels good. How many of you, sometimes after you blame someone, your fault? Your fault. Alright? And you complain, you feel good. How many of you? Right? You feel good. It's like going for the spa. It feels good, right? So, I'm not saying this is bad. I'm saying that by doing this, yes, in the short term we feel good, in the short term we protect ourselves. But if we keep doing it again and again and again and again, what happens? We keep going around in circles. And we don't move on. We get stuck where we are. Nothing changes. Right? Let me give you an example. If you blame your competitors, you say, because of the stupid competitors, they cut their price. Because they cut their price, that's why we lose our customers. It's your fault. Now, if you blame your competitors, that means who is controlling your results? Who's controlling your life? You or them? Them. And if they are controlling your results, If they are controlling your success, then can you change your success? No, you can't. Because it is not your control. It is not your fault. It's their fault. So the moment you blame someone, you are giving them power to control you. Let me repeat that. The moment you blame someone, you're giving them the power to control your life. And the moment you blame someone, you are giving them your power. You're giving them your ability to make changes. So people who are here, what is their belief? Their belief is always, it's not my fault. It's not my fault. It's someone else's fault. So what do? Nothing. I can't do anything. So these people in life, they allow themselves to be the victim. They say the world did this to me, I'm the victim. And in life, there are always people who feel like a victim. Now, but people who succeed, people who are the top 10%, what's the difference? The difference is their mindset is up here. Right? They believe, whatever happens to me, if I succeed, if I fail, if I make money, if I lose money, it's because I created it. I created it. It's because of the decisions I make. It's because of the actions I take. So, these people, what happens? Whatever happens in life, they tend to take 100% responsibility. Can we say this together? Everyone say the word responsibility. Thank you. Responsibility. And let me show you which page it's on. The sequence is not the same, but it's okay. This is actually on page 6. Page 6. Page 6. Over here. Right? Page 6. So these people, they take 100% responsibility. They believe whatever happens, I created it. I make it happen. Now here's the thing. If you believe that you created it, what does it mean? It means that you have the power to change it. You have the power to make it better. So the moment you take responsibility for something, you're giving yourself the power. You're putting yourself in charge of your life. So these people, what's their mindset? Their mindset is always for things to change. They believe for things to change, I must change first. For anything to change, I must change first. If I want my partner to change, I have to change first. If I want my business to change, I must change first. As the owner of the business, as a CEO, our business is a reflection of us. Okay, if we are lazy, our business will be lazy. If we have got lousy quality, our business will have lousy quality. The business is a reflection of us. Right? But these people, what's their belief? Their belief is for things to change, someone else must change. For things to change, the customers must change. For things to change, the economy must change. Will it change? No. Until we take responsibility. Can I tell you a real life story of how I've used this? Yeah? Tell you a real life story. Let's go back to the slides.